Hi, I'm Chef Keith Casey from the Casey American Bistro. We'd love for you to come out and dine with us. We're open 7 nights a week, and we feature American regional cuisine, which is defined by the indigenous products of an area, coupled with the ethnicities that settled in that area, and how they cooked and cultivated the cuisine. It's a very unique dining experience, representing from coast to coast all the different regions and unique foods of the United States. We're located in the Pavilion Shopping Center at the corner of Vanderbilt and 41.
Hi, this is Marissa with the Michelle Thomas team. I'm here with Keith Casey with Casey American Bistro. This week we've had 4 open houses with 33 visitors for our $50 gift card. We're going to pick 2 lucky winners for this week's open house raffle. Will you do us the honor of picking out the winners?
Yes, our winners, our 2 lucky winners this week, is Tom.
Congrats, Tom.
Yes, congratulations, Tom. And Sharon.
Congrats, Sharon. Thank you for stopping in, and don't forget we'll have 4 open houses this weekend. Keep up with us on social media. Bye.